I'm at the Comfort Hotel in Oslo, and I just saw the coolest thing. Over here, there's this bag, and you can donate your clothes. So like at the end of your stay, if you're gonna throw away anything like when you get home, like the t-shirt or whatever, you know what I mean? Or if you have too much stuff, like too much stuff for your luggage, like I sometimes do, and you have to just throw clothes away because they won't fit and you won't be able to go to the airport. And like you can't close your suitcase or whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. You can put it in this bag and donate it to those less fortunate. You and your t-shirt can make a difference. Donated clothing creates a sustainable market and helps people in need. In addition, reuse keeps goods and materials out of the waste stream. It also creates less air and water pollution than making new items. Your kind donation will go to local charities that work with these less fortunate. Yeah, shoes, pants, shirts, sweaters, whatever, anything. And they not lying either, because just yesterday in Oslo, when I was down by Oslo West, I saw they were doing a whole giveaway to people in need, and they were giving away shirts and all type of clothes, everything. I don't have a video of it, but I saw it with my own eyes. So I wonder, have you ever seen this at any other hotels? Do other hotels do this? I'm sure they do, but shout out to Comfort for this one.